Hello, this is Dave at TitleSearch.com. Real estate property auctions have been a popular way to acquire pieces of real estate at a discounted price. A couple types of auctions that have become the most favorable for investors are the sheriff's sale, where a property has been foreclosed either for taxes or for mortgage delinquency, and the statutes of that state in a judicial state will require the sheriff in that county to hold a public auction at the county courthouse. Typically, it's done on the courthouse steps in a public outcry setting. There are terms and conditions that are pretty harsh for an investor. Usually, it's a cash sale transaction. Deposit needs to be made immediately, and then the balance of the funds within 24 hours, sometimes the same day. That's in a judicial state and a sheriff's sale. Non-judicial states, sometimes foreclosure auctions are done by a law firm where the attorney representing the lender or the creditor will hold that same type of auction. Similar situation, but done by an attorney. If government taxes are an issue for the delinquency, for example, municipal property taxes, payroll taxes, may even be some type of child support delinquency that's done through the state, then it may be auctioned again by a government agency. It could be the sheriff, it may be the entity. The IRS also forecloses properties for taxes, and they handle auctions at the federal level. What if it's a private sale? Sometimes auctions are held by a private company such as auction.com or other asset disposal firms, and that's usually a property that's in the REO or real estate owned inventory of a lender. So a lender has taken back that property, it's been foreclosed, they've actually purchased it at the auction that disposed of that foreclosure, and now they're releasing that property to the public through a private sale. Any type of auction, it's very important that you remember what type of transfer you're going to get. Usually it will be a quitclaim deed, something like this, that you'll receive from that auction. It'll be a limited guaranteed transaction. So you're going to have to do a lot of due diligence as an investor. Do a good title search. Try to get whatever kind of inspection done that you can. Maybe you can't get into the inside of the property. Maybe you can't inspect mechanical such as AC and heating. But if you can do the best job you can to get an idea of what's working and what's not, look at some permits, pull some maybe contractors' records from the title. Make sure, though, that you are looking for liens, mortgages, judgments, seeing what's going to accrue after the sale. Look at what the title status is now prior to the sale, and then look at the sale transaction announcement to see what items will be wiped out by that auction. You'll find on most auctions it'll be an as-is sale, meaning that any liens, mortgages, or judgments will be the responsibility of the buyer. Understand the terms and conditions, understand the payment terms, and you can get some really good deals at these property auctions. If you need more information or have other questions, you can reach us at our website at TitleSearch.com.